If your Bosch refrigerator stopped making ice, don't call a repairman just yet because most fixes take less than 10 minutes. Over 20% of ice maker failures are caused by a simple frozen fill tube, which blocks water from reaching the tray. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to identify exactly why your ice production has hit a standstill. First, ensure the unit is powered on, then unplug the fridge before checking if a clogged water filter is the culprit. Check the mechanical ejector arm for jams and listen to the water inlet valve for any unusual clicking or humming sounds. If your freezer is warmer than 10 degrees Fahrenheit, the ice maker will refuse to cycle to protect the unit. A hard reset or defrosting the tube fixes most issues, but a seized motor or cracked line requires a part replacement. While a filter is an easy $50 swap, replacing the entire assembly can cost upwards of $300. Locate the reset button on your specific Bosch model and hold it for 10 seconds to force a new harvest cycle. Grab a hair dryer and a nut driver set before you begin, and keep towels handy to catch any melting ice. Regularly cleaning your coils is the best way to ensure your freezer stays cold enough to keep making ice year-round. If these steps helped you get your Bosch ice maker back online, hit the like button and subscribe for more appliance tips.